Abase. Now, abase is a very powerful word. All right, it means to humiliate, to belittle someone, or to bring someone down. Right? How can you do so? You simply say something bad to someone, you will see he or she is feeling embarrassed. Now, it's not a good thing, right? Don't do it. If you see someone is getting to be unable to talk properly, don't just come up with bad words at them. Don't make fun out of it, because it hurts. He or she knows that this thing is happening. If possible, get in touch privately and then correct the mistake he or she is doing politely, in a polite manner. But don't, try to show up your over smartness, coming up with the correct thing and blah blah blah. Sometimes we do insult people intentionally with their weak points. So if we abase, it means we come up with words to make that specific personality we're talking about feel pretty embarrassed. So if I abase you, it means I try to put you down. I try to bring you down. Got my point? Hope you got to have this whole video pretty meaningful, pretty useful. If so, do share this video with your friends and get this shared on your timeline as well, so that whenever you get to have time, you could review this whole video and get through these words. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Hope you do the stuff that I have requested you to do, and nothing else. This high time for me to sign off. Therefore, RH signing off for now. Hope to see you on one next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, and get to be pretty curious about my next video. Thank you so much. That's all.